Welcome to our training on how to apply the Automate Pricing Tool's predefined pricing rule. If you have a professional selling plan, you can use the Automate Pricing Tool to set your prices. This helps your offers remain competitive within the price limits you set. In this video, we'll share how you can locate the predefined pricing rule and assign SKUs to it. The predefined pricing rule is set to match the featured offer price for offers with the same ASIN and condition. This rule will compare prices from retailers outside of Amazon too, which may increase the likelihood of your offer becoming the featured offer. If the featured offer price changes, your price will adjust to match it for as long as the rule is active. If you become the featured offer, your price will hold at that value. Here's an example. You select the predefined pricing rule, competitive price rule by Amazon, and set your minimum and maximum prices to 100 Rand and 150 Rand respectively. Automate Pricing will lower your price every time the featured offer price decreases, but only within the minimum threshold you've set. So if the featured offer price of your item is 105 Rand and another seller lowers their price to 100 Rand to win the featured offer, Automate Pricing will lower your price to 100 Rand to match it. But since you've set your minimum price at 100 Rand, your price won't drop below 100 Rand, even if the featured offer price does. To access the Automate Pricing tool, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Pricing, and select Automate Pricing. We've just showed you how the predefined rule works. For an overview of the Automate Pricing tool's other rule categories and how to use them, watch Automate Pricing create and apply a custom or catalog level rule in Seller University. Now let's review how to assign SKUs to the predefined pricing rule. First, go to the Pricing Rules page and locate Competitive Price Rule by Amazon. Then select Edit SKUs in the Action column. This will take you to the Manage SKUs page, where you can enroll them one by one or in bulk. The Competitive Price Rule by Amazon won't adjust any of your prices until you've added SKUs. To enroll SKUs one by one, select each individually and enter your minimum and maximum prices. You can think of these prices as bumpers. They let Automate Pricing adjust your prices based on the parameters of the Competitive Price Rule by Amazon, but only within a certain range. Note that only SKUs with a minimum price can be enrolled, so remember to complete this step. After you've set your minimum and maximum prices, select the drop-down menu in the Action column next to the SKU. Then select Competitive Price Rule by Amazon in the Assign to Rule section and click Start Repricing in the pop-up window to confirm your selection. To enroll SKUs in bulk, check the boxes to the left of each SKU or click the topmost box to select all SKUs listed on the page. Next, select the Bulk Action drop-down menu and click Competitive Price Rule by Amazon in the Assign to Rules section. Select Start Repricing in the pop-up window to confirm your selection. Whether one by one or in bulk, your SKUs will reprice after you select Start Repricing as long as you've entered a minimum price. The rule will also appear on the Automate Pricing page, so you can review and edit the SKUs you've assigned to it if needed. Another way to enroll SKUs in bulk is from the page Manage SKUs in Bulk via Download and Upload Files. From that page, select Manage SKUs via File Upload. Use the Download Center tab to download a bulk template. You can choose a blank file or one that's pre-populated. The pre-populated file includes your top 500 to top 50,000 SKUs, depending on the file size you select. It sorts SKUs by sales rank. We recommend using the pre-populated file, especially if you're not sure which SKUs you'd like to apply to the predefined pricing rule. Make your selections, then select Request Automate Pricing File. It can take a few hours for your spreadsheet to be ready for download, though most will be ready in a few minutes. Use the Refresh button to view the status. After you've completed the required fields in the downloaded file, save it as a TXT file. Then select the Upload Center tab. Click Choose File, and after you've selected the one you want, click Upload Automate Pricing File. Like with the file download, the upload may take several minutes depending on the size. You may receive an error message if the required fields are completed incorrectly. Review the section Tips to Resolve Common Errors and reference the 15,000 Series Error Codes help page to troubleshoot. After you've corrected your spreadsheet, return to the Upload Center tab to upload it. Return to Manage SKUs in bulk via download and upload files at any point to assign more SKUs to this rule. Move SKUs to different rules, change your minimum and maximum prices, or end repricing on a rule altogether. This concludes our training on how to apply the predefined pricing rule.